Hello, Fox Tech viewers. Welcome back to another tutorial on managing your Messenger experience. Today we'll address a common concern many of us have encountered, unwanted phone calls through Messenger. But worry not, as I'll guide you through some effective methods to ensure it never happens again. Let's start with blocking incoming calls by ensuring Messenger can't deliver notifications. Head over to your phone's settings and locate the notifications section. Once there, find Messenger in the list of apps and toggle off the option for notifications. This simple step prevents any pop-ups, alerts, or rings for incoming calls on Messenger. However, it's essential to note that this method blocks all notifications, which may not be ideal for everyone. Now, for a more targeted approach, consider blocking microphone and camera access. Return to the main settings menu and navigate to Privacy and Security. In the Privacy settings, locate the microphone section, find Messenger, and toggle off its access. By doing this, you effectively disable Messenger's ability to use your microphone for audio calls. Additionally, you can navigate to the Camera section, find Messenger, and toggle off its access. This action disables the camera for video calls on Messenger. These combined settings ensure that not only will you not be notified, but Messenger won't have the functionality to make or receive calls. For those persistent callers, consider blocking the specific person causing the disturbance. Simply block them through Messenger or Facebook, and voila, they won't have access to bother you anymore. It's a straightforward solution to maintain your peace of mind within the Messenger app. Before we conclude, make sure to check out Fox Tech Educational Platform for free access to various courses and a thriving community. It's a fantastic resource for enhancing your digital skills. I'll see you there. Thank you for tuning in, Fox Tech viewers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, peace.